All right, what's up? So, wanted to make a video on cleaning the Yeezy Pods. And this is a recording from my phone. The audio never recorded, so here we are. So, apologize if things don't sync up properly. Just watch the video and listen. But anyway, on the left side, we have the pods that I've cleaned, and on the right side, we have the ones that are dirty. I took them to a caffeine and octane event this morning and wore them around a bit more throughout the day. And yeah, they got quite dirty. So really, the whole moral of the story, whatever, they're easy to clean. Really, all you need is water, microfiber towel, or maybe a normal towel like you see, and just go back and forth on the rubber parts. Really, honestly, the same thing on the knit material as well. I wouldn't worry about the knit material absorbing too much water. It doesn't really absorb water at all. It's not really like a sock. Someone asked me on a Reddit post whether or not it absorbs water a lot on the knit material. It does not. It really likes to dry out very quickly. And even then, yeah, like I got these caught up in some rain before, and not really rain, more of a mist, more of a sprinkle. And yeah, they were not uncomfortable at all. Now, whole different story probably if you were to jump in a puddle with these. That may not be the best experience. But anyway, I have 303 there. The 303 is really preservation more than anything. So my pair were the pre-order pair, the ones where you paid $200 on December the 15th. I had them delivered, and then I got the refund later, right? So apparently the ones that were made in after February, whenever the price went down to $20, apparently those are no longer made in Italy, and it no longer has that text there. And yeah, so I was like, okay, I should probably hang on to these and not and not let them wear down too much or whatever. I don't know. I just went into preservation mode. So I looked in my garage and I was like, yeah, the 303 worked really good on the Wrangler, worked really good on making the trim on the 86 look good. So I mean, really, it should work on the pods too. Now, if you're going to keep wearing your pods a lot, I probably would not put 303. It could make things slippery. But I don't plan on wearing these much at all anymore for a number of reasons. I don't want to try to explain it right now. Just watch the other videos in the playlist or on my channel. That'll explain everything. But yeah, here's just me kind of going into it now. But I mean, there's really not much to say, y'all. They're simple to clean, just back and forth. I mean, as you see right there, it's really simple. Maybe get a better grip on the panels, of course, but you know, some water, microfiber does the job, really. If you want to go washer route, say you haven't cleaned them in weeks, then yeah, go the washer route. If you want to be safe, cold water, whatever detergent you have that's probably not, probably doesn't have any bleach in it though. And if you want to go the dryer route too, then yeah, just low settings, everything. I've had mine on high settings before and have had no issues. Yeah, I talk about how the right side one has had issues, but that's been since day one. I've had those issues since way before I put those through the washer. Those right side pods were not constructed the best in my case, and that's why I've had all those issues with it. But that's another video. Check it out. It's already uploaded and everything. Will it shrink? Not really. It could be a bit tight to put on after you get them out the dryer, but that material does not seem to, you know, shrink in traditional sense. It's still, I still have a bit of room in the toe area or whatever. You know, it still conforms perfectly fine. It'll stretch back out to its normal shape with use. So don't worry about it shrinking, or maybe worry about it not shrinking if that's something you wanted to try. Maybe my means weren't enough to make it shrink, but maybe someone who does alterations could make it shrink. I don't know. It did not shrink in my case. What else? What else? But yeah, cold water, air dry is probably the safest route to take. And yeah, that's really all it is to it. Put your arm through it, like you see right here, if you want to clean the leg portion a bit easier. But yeah, I mean, that's really it, y'all. I'm so sorry. I really hate that my phone didn't record the audio. I don't know how I hit that setting, but yeah, it's very tough to do some dialogue for this when the whole point of the video is to be one take. And it's not like I could just go out there and get them dirty real fast and do it again. That wouldn't be genuine. That's not how I do things here. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video anyway. And yeah, thanks for watching as always. Sorry if it was a bit messy. I was not planning on doing this voiceover, but anyway, appreciate y'all. And more videos soon. As soon as I get the size 2s in that I did order. Who knows when they'll come in, but people have been starting to get their orders in, so maybe it's not too far off the horizon. But thanks for watching as always, and more soon.